Hello IBNs. In this video, I am going to share some interesting tips regarding presentation during exams by showing my own answer sheets with you. This is my English answer sheet. This is how I used to write the answers. You can see that there is a proper use of headings, use of quotes wherever are required. There is a proper gap between two answers, and the line is drawn between two answers and between two sections. This is the answer sheet of Hindi. The similar things you can observe in this sheet also. So on the basis of the observation of these sheets, we can summarize the main points. So tip number 1 for you is you have to write the answers with neat handwriting. Tip number 2 is section division. After the completion of one section, you have to mention another section in the middle of the paper. Tip number 3 is leave line after every answer. Proper gap should be there. You can see this in the image. Tip number 4 is you have to underline important points and keywords, and you know that you are going to use only blue pen during board exams, so try to underline it with pencil only. And the last tip, you can draw diagrams, flowcharts, tables wherever possible. For example, this is a flowchart of plant tissue. So here are the tips. Hopefully you will follow it while writing the answers. Thank you.